Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to read aloud selected text on iPhone running iOS version 14.2. So this is my iPhone device, so let us start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened. And also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back again. So in order to read aloud selected text on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that guys you have to scroll down to accessibility. So let me go over there. So here I have this accessibility, so you have to tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that guys you have to come to this vision, this section, and in this section you have to tap on this spoken content. So let me tap on this, and I have this spoken content, this screen opened, and after that guys you have to come to this option speak selection. A speak button will appear when you select text. So just enable this toggle. So in order to enable this, you have to tap on this toggle and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now enabled. And after that, you can also control the speaking rate. So you can increase the speaking rate by moving this slider to the right, and you can decrease the speaking rate by moving this slider to the left. So let me adjust mine. Okay, this is fine. And after you're done, guys, you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So it's now closed. And after that, you can go to your text that you want to read aloud. Like you can open any web page, or if you have your notes, then you can open that also. So I have, one note. So let me open that. So here I have this notes, this app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened. So here I have this note. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see it's opened. And here I have text on this. So just go to the text that you want to read aloud, and then you have to select that. So I want to read aloud this text. How are you doing? So let me select that. And you can see guys it's now selected. And after that guys you can see I have this menu. So in this menu you have to tap on this speak. So let me tap on this.
How are you doing?
And you can see guys the voice over here. Okay, so it's now done. After that you can close this menu. So let me tap over here again. You can see it's now closed. And after that you can close your notes. So let me go back. Let me close that. So that's it. In this way you can easily read aloud selected text on iPhone running iOS version 14.2. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.